How to download Amazon Music to MP3. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Amazon Music to MP3 format. However, I need to be upfront about an important distinction. There are legal ways to do this and gray area methods. I'll show you both and explain which is which. Let's start with the completely legal method. Legal method: download purchased music. The easiest and most legal way to get Amazon Music as MP3 files is to buy the songs directly from Amazon Digital Music Store. Go to musicamazon.com. Search for the song or album you want. Click the three-dot menu and select Buy MP3 Song or Buy MP3 Album. Complete the purchase. The music instantly downloads as a DRM-free MP3 file to your computer. These are real, unprotected MP3 files you can transfer to any device, any MP3 player, or any platform. You truly own the music. This is the official Amazon method with no legal concerns. The problem with subscription downloads: Amazon Music Prime and Amazon Music Unlimited allow you to download music for offline listening within the Amazon Music app. However, these downloads are encrypted cache files tied to your subscription. You cannot move them to other devices or MP3 players. They only work in the Amazon Music app. Once your subscription ends, the files disappear, so these are not real MP3 files. Third-party converter tools. The gray area: many people use third-party converter software to convert their Amazon Music subscription streams to actual MP3 files. Tools like TuneBode, TuneFab, DRMR, and ViWizard can do this. These tools capture the audio stream and encode it as MP3. Important disclaimer: these tools violate Amazon's terms of service. Using them may result in your account being banned. Converting for personal use exists in a legal gray area, but redistributing or sharing the converted files is illegal. I'm not recommending you use these tools. I'm showing you they exist and explaining the risks. How these tools work: if you choose to use them, download and install the converter software. Launch the program and sign in with your Amazon Music account. Select the songs or playlists you want to convert. Choose MP3 as the output format and select your desired quality, usually 320 kbps. Click Convert. The software captures the audio and saves it as MP3 files to your computer. The entire process can take 10 to 15 minutes for a full playlist. Most tools preserve ID3 tags like song title, artist, and album art. Important warnings: first, converting subscription music violates Amazon's terms of service. Amazon can detect this and ban your account. Second, sharing or uploading these converted files to the internet is illegal copyright infringement. Keep them strictly for personal use. Third, some online converters are unreliable or have shut down. As of May 2026, KeepVid's Amazon Music downloader is experiencing issues. Fourth, be cautious of malware. Download software only from official sources. Many fake converters contain malicious code. Better alternatives: if you need music in MP3 format permanently, buy it from Amazon Digital Music Store. It's legal, official, and you actually own the files. If you want offline listening without owning files, use Amazon Music's built-in offline mode in the app. If cost is the concern, use free streaming services like Spotify Free, YouTube Music, or Pandora, which don't require conversion. Summary: the legal way: buy music from Amazon Digital Music Store and download as real MP3s. The gray area way: use third-party converters for subscription music, which violates Amazon's terms and may get your account banned. The safest way: use Amazon's official offline mode or purchase the music directly. I recommend the legal purchased music method. You own it forever, no risk of account bans, and no copyright concerns. If this tutorial helped you understand your options, please like and subscribe. Comment below and let me know whether you prefer buying music or using streaming services. Thanks for watching.